go to the head shop and get the head. I'm gonna go get the head today. Well, so I wipe down the top of the block with some alcohol and a rag to be sure that it's clean. Scraped it a little bit. Get into the stash of parts here. Oh, probably have to cut this open. Oh, that's heavy. I'll get something to cut into this with. Or in the box now. Oh, tear the plastic open. House them seals, we won't be using all those. We might can use those grommets for the valve covers, probably will. Here's some valve cover gaskets. We'll use those. Exhaust manifold gaskets. And intake manifold. Doesn't have anything like that on it. Now, I think that both head gaskets are the same. I'm not 100% sure, so let's compare. They certainly appear to be the same, just how you place them on there. So it's going to have to go like this, I believe. Easy. We don't want to bend it. Of course, we do still have another, because we're not doing both sides, just one. All right. Come on, get on there. It's gonna be stubborn, huh? Put it around the dowel. Oh, there we go. And the dowel there, and there's a dowel up here. Wiggle it on there. There we go. There we go. This always unsettled me right here, but it's okay. Because if you flip it over, you have this port that you're really taking care of. So that's just a nothing. But it's still kind of unsettling. Alright, so there's a valve cover. I mean a little head gasket installed. And the same unsettling thing back here. See? Covers nothing. But it works. It's the right one. Alright. Cylinder head out of this one. Back here. See, that's what I mean. The exhaust manifold on this one's two bolts, not three. So we're going to scope this out. And what I like to do, I'm going to take it over to my pickup, to the pickup bed on the tailgate. Let me open up the gate. I only have so many hands. One day we'll fix this dent. It's going to be quite a challenge. Or we may not fix that dent. Yeah, Jeeps all over the place. Alright, let's get a grip on this. So we carry it. God. Well, it's going to take two hands. Excuse me. This is the one we had the seat replaced. The rest of them are all going to be just like they are. There's the one that had the head work done. Kind of rich. What I like to do is use a little alcohol, because it really degreases quite well. Squirt it on there and take my flat file and just kind of do this to it. I did not have my head shop surface this thing or nothing. Just the valve seat only. Easy. Just rub the flat valve across it to remove any debris. I'm going to set this on. I'm not going to be able to show you because it's going to take both hands. I found my tripod, but it's not convenient to me now. Okay, a rag, wipe it up. Put an ample amount of alcohol on the rag. You can use any kind of solvent you want. This stuff is cheap and it's versatile. Now, I'm gonna go put it on the engine. Because it's still got the exhaust manifold on it. It's gonna be difficult to get in there. There it goes. Rotate it. Boy. Okay. Hold on. Get grip on it. Everything's gonna hold up. There we go. It's gonna be in my way. It's gonna be the way it is. Ease it down. Look at that. And get a grip on it. Let's slide it back in there. God, it's holding up. Oh, that thing. Of course. So I took that off. I figured it would get in my way. But it's kind of getting in the way. In a good way. Get a little grip on it. Lift it up. Alright, here we go. Up, up. Right up on those valves that we saw earlier. Goes. On the back. Up. What? It's on them. Let's look. Turn on the light. Move it down in the holes. Get that lined up. Appears to be. Appears to be. Oh yeah, I slide it. Right. Kind of wiggle it. I think that probably it's butting up against the exhaust down here. And it's kind of holding it up. Yeah, that's what it is. That's no big deal. We're going to drop the bolts in it. Bolts. Alright. Get a handful of these. Dog follows me. Everywhere I go, he follows me. Oh, hey. Oh, slid. It's not lined up. There it is. I thought. Don't seem right. Not right. Yeah, it's got to go back another notch. Hold on. Lining the bolt holes up. Doesn't make sense. It should land on the dowels. That seems to go down where it's supposed to. But this don't. So, hold on. I'm going to stick a Phillips screwdriver in here and attempt to line the holes up. I'm thinking that probably it's the junction of the exhaust manifold and tailpipe. Well, I had a little camera phone issue. I figured out why the head didn't want to flop down. It's because when I took the engine mount bolts out in order to drop the engine down so I could remove the intake manifold, it caused interference issues between, can you see it? The exhaust manifold and the tailpipe. It was all too tight. So I jacked the engine back up, put the bolts back in. Really? Oh, you know what I mean. And have the engine at its proper resting place, and the head went right on. So if you're going to drop the engine down, remember, raise it back up, put the head on, and then you'll have to drop it back down to put the intake back in. That's what I'm having to do anyway. All I have to do now is torque the head down and then do the timing chain and finish up the repair. So that's where I'm at now. It's time for me to cover everything up, put away tools, and get ready to go to work. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Have a good time with yours.